Hi guys, welcome back to another market review. Today is July 2nd, 2022, and we're going to be discussing the iShares Ring Global Gold Miners ETF. About Ring, the fund seeks to provide investment results that corresponds to the performance of the MSCI ACWI Select Gold Miners Investable Market Index. The underlying index measures the combined performance of equity security companies primarily engaged in the business of gold mining in both developed and emerging markets. The index number is M1WDS1ML. The category is materials. Sector is gold miners. The inception was January 31st of 2012. It is a team-managed fund, and the website is below. The prospectus, the principal investment strategies. Ring seeks to track the investment results of the MSCI ACWI Select Gold Miners Investable Market Index, which has been developed by the MSCI Inc., to target a minimum of 30 companies in the developed and emerging markets that are involved in the business of gold mining. The MSCI begins with the MSCI ACWI Investable Market Index and then selects securities of companies that are primarily focused on the extraction and production of gold and state as general policy that they do not hedge their exposure to gold prices as long as there is no indication of hedging activities is found in their annual reports or such hedging activities are identified but represent less than 10% of the business. The number one risk that they list in their prospectus is the asset class risk. Securities and other assets in underlying index or in the fund's portfolio may underperform in comparison to the general financial markets, a particular financial market, or other asset classes. Risk continued. Authorized participation concentration risk, commodity risk, currency risk, emerging market risks, issuer risks, market trading risks, and more. The Ring current stats as of July 2nd, 2022 has a current market price of $22.34, which is 15.67% below its 200 moving day average of 27.09. It has a 52-week trading range of a low of 21.32 to a high of 33.58. It has a total assets or market capitalization of $496 million. It has a net expense ratio of 0.39%. Its 1 month return is negative 9.51%. Its year-to-date return is negative 5.08%. Its 1 year return is negative 20.82%, and it is options enabled. Ring performance. The distribution yield is the measurement of cash flow paid by an exchange-traded fund, real estate investment trust, or another type of income-paying vehicle. Rather than in calculating the yield based on an aggregate of distributions, the most recent distribution is annualized and divided by the net asset value of the security at the time of the payment. Ring has a distribution yield, or a TTM, of 2.50%, has a price-to-earnings ratio of 22.66, has an annual dividend of 2.5%. Its ex-dividend date is June 9th, 2022. It has a 60-month beta of 0.72 and an implied volatility of 40.6. Ring top 10 holdings. Ring holds 40 companies in total in its fund, number 1 being Newmont at 22.9%, Barrick Gold at 14.42%, Agnico Eagle Mines at 8.81%, Wheaton Precious Metals Corp at 4.58%, Gold Fields Ltd. at 4.34%, Newcrest Mining at 4.31%, Zijin Mining Group at 4.12%, Anglo Gold Ashanti Limited 3.77%, Yamana Gold Inc. at 2.84%, and Kinross Gold Corp. at 2.77%. Ring Geographic Footprint. The fund Ring has exposure to mining companies in Canada at 48.26%, the United States 24.12%, South Africa 10.08%, Australia at 7.75%, China at 5.09%, United Kingdom at 1.73%, Peru at 1.18%, Mexico at 1.86%, and Egypt at 1.81%. Disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Do not take anything on YouTube as financial advice. Do your own research. Consult a professional investment advisor before making any investment decisions. My YouTube analysis is for entertainment purposes only. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below about your thoughts on Ring. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video.